family's out here at Stone Mountain. We're at a campsite, and right now we're cooking grilled cheese for the little girl. Little boy's already got one. Look at that grilled cheese. Oh yeah, just like at home, right? It's good, isn't it, Bryce?
Yeah.
And the good thing about this site is there's tons of wood everywhere. Would you be mad if it went in the fire?
Lizzie would.
Tabletop coming through. You need help, buddy?
Nope.
Strong guy. I don't believe this shower works. They got 4 showers. Handicap shower. This one works. Cold water though. I don't think you can make it hot. Cold shower time. It's about 11 o'clock at night. We didn't really film a whole lot today because you know how setting up goes. You just don't really, it kind of wears you out. And we cooked dinner. Everybody's been snug as a bug in a rug. Right, Kim? Lizzie went out first, then Bryce. Me and Kim's just now going to bed. But we'll talk to you in the morning. Say goodnight. Nighty night.
Did you speak first?
Good morning. It's day 2. Kim spent about an hour this morning before I got up and the kids got up, trying to get a fire started.
Epic fail.
Because it rained hard last night. Everything in the fire pit was pretty much gone.
I could not get a fire going.
What was the problem, you think?
Everything was soaked. And you were sleeping, so I had to do it.
So once me and Spidey got out of bed, I just went over there and assessed the situation, and I grabbed a black and white Sherpa. I did some shavings, split the rest of it in half, put it on the fire, used a lighter, bam.
5 minutes later.
We had fire.
To my hour and a half.
So we're gearing up for some breakfast, right, poo-poo boy?
Yeah, and I get ramen noodles.
Ramen noodles for breakfast? No. How about eggs and bacon?
I told him if he eats bacon, he can have noodles.
Oh. Sissy's eating her strawberries. She loves strawberries every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, Spider-Man says. After breakfast, we all have to brush our teeth. Right, Tootsie?
Yeah.
Coffee number 2.
That's that one, yeah.
We went on a store run after breakfast. Everything is super drenched because it started pouring down rain. It's just now stopped. I finally got this fire going again. It was completely out. I had to split up this piece of pine right here and get down to the inner wood. I had to do shavings. Finally got it going. That's good shit right there, buddy. You want to do it?
I do.
Go down it. Take your shoes off. Come back.
You guys slide down? I'm gonna go in the water. You gonna do it? Sit on my lap? It might be too cold for you, buddy.
Mama's gonna slide down the rocks, Hippie.
Mama's gonna regret this.
Right, stop right there. See how slick it is?
Bryce, you can do it. I don't trust Sissy to do it.
Go in there, bub. Just look in there first.
You take her.
No, I don't want to be
Come on.
falling.
It's not gonna be scary. Come on.
Well, I don't know how to get up.
Yeah, just step over it. Like Ninja Warrior. You got it.
Cool. There's an attic.
Baby, this goes over. I'm going to fall through it.
You're not gonna fall through it, Mr. Ninja Warrior.
We failed.
You got this.
Everybody look at the camera. Say cheese. This is Stone Mountain.
What did I do?
I bet there's a lot of eagles up there.
Buzzards.
Oh, I know. It's a big rock. Yeah. It is very big. Lizzie found a rock.
You know, I've been up on top of it before.
Mr. Freak Out.
There's a trail like down the road, like halfway up, and it takes you all the way up to the top. And I walked all the way across the top.
How close to the edge did you get?
No, not far, not close. Cause once you get to a certain point,
No,
and
yeah.
there's no coming
I
back.
can't believe there's no like a rail. You know what I mean?
Once you get to a certain point,
I guess
you're
they can't on a rock.
you're done.
Go.
He's the next American Ninja Warrior, folks. Oh, he's getting fancy. Careful. You did it. High five. So Kim's got dried out. We got her clothes hanging up on the line. She's changed clothes, and she's been cold ever since she got back. And it's the sun's out
And
now.
now I got glasses, guys. Oh.
Tonight's dinner is going to be Nor rice, a chicken flavored rice. And before we came to the park the other day, we stopped at Sheetz and got the kids the boneless bites, chicken nugget bites. So when we went to town today, we went and got another large order of the chicken nuggets. And I'm in love with Sheetz spicy Asian sauce. So I asked them, I said, can y'all sell me a bottle of sauce? Because I love that stuff. And they did. About $5. I got a big bottle of the Sheetz Spicy Asian. This sauce is the bomb. If you ever been to Sheetz gas stations, you know what I'm talking about.
Now it's Carmen. I'll get your first pop, okay? Because I can't save that. You want your first pop?
Look at your mouth, sissy. Look at your mouth. What color's your tongue? Is it blue? Let me see your tongue.
Unicorn tongue.
Oh yeah, I've got to go fire now, guys.
Heck yeah, buddy.
Oh, man.
I think they put crack in this sauce. I love it. I'm thirsty, Bryce. finally broke down and bought 2 bundles of wood for $5. Look how big that bundle of wood is for $5. I done burnt like $200 worth of wood, or if not 5 out here. Not bought. Well, we've had a good time. So, we're just enjoying the fire for a little bit. We're gonna get up early and pack out, get out of here.
We're gonna take a bath and make a hay.
We're pretty much packed up, sitting here drinking coffee. Bryce is still asleep. We might have to wrap him up in the tent and toss him in the van.
Put in the tent.
I'm just joking. He's a little poo-poo boy, poo-poo boy, poo-poo boy. He's a little poo-poo boy, poo-poo boy, poo-poo boy.
You can go in. It's already dirty. You can go. You can go. It's dirty. Oh, he's silly.
Where'd Bryce go?
Is he? Where is he? Oh, he's there. Come on.
He's like, the heck with you guys.
We got our morning bird and our cranky pants.
Time to go home. We're about to wrap you up in the tent and just throw you in the van. So everybody, bye. We'll see you next time.